Are you tired of clicking save every single time in n8n? Autosave is finally here, and it changes everything. Hey everyone, Steven's avatar here. In this update, I will break down the new autosave feature in pre-release 2.4.4 or newer. n8n, autosave protects your work instantly. No more losing changes when a tab crashes or your browser refreshes. Autosave updates your workflow as you edit. It captures node changes, connections, parameters, and structure. Before autosave, every change needed a manual save click. Now your workflow updates in the background without extra steps. To use autosave, you need n8n version 2.4.0 or newer. It is still in beta, so you must install a pre-release version. In the new version, the Save button is disabled during autosave. You will see a small indicator when changes are recorded. Autosave runs when you switch nodes, open new workflow tabs, or move between different parts of the editor. The n8n team plans to expand autosave, increase coverage, and improve performance. This first beta is only the beginning. Let me know if autosave has already helped you. Check the description for download links and setup instructions.